Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add subscribe button to your video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel if you will find this guide useful. Now, you want to go ahead and upload your subscribe button green screen onto your timeline and drag it over right there. And here we have it now. Now, you want to choose this specific subscribe video and go to the Fusion tab right there. And here you want to go ahead, click Control space or Shift space if you are on MacBook, and add the Delta key here. Add it between these two. And here on Delta key you want to choose a dropper and drag it over to the video until it removes the green screen. You can go ahead and watch the video if you want to. As you can see, there's no green screen anymore. And that's basically it. Now you go back to the edit page. And as you can see, now you have your subscribe button right there. And if you want to make it smaller, just go ahead to video transform and zoom it out. And also you can drag it wherever you want it. You can change the position and just like so. And yeah, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.